as you can see, steam cleaning the box of the door handles and everything here. Kind of started the process already for steam cleaning it with a steam cleaner. So right now I'm just in the process of cleaning out the glove box here and this here, well, everything here. So I can't use the bigger nozzle, so I have to use the smaller nozzle and then just heat it up in here. Just like for the buttons here. Just like that. Buttons. Door panel here. This is how I clean it. I use the steam machine. Instead of using a whole bunch of chemicals, I'm just using steam. And it does a great job because this door was filthy. Now look at the difference. Huge difference. Do the driver's side seat. The steamer. Clean out all the contaminants in the seat. Seat. Side of the seat also. Okay. Get the seat. Alright. So now I'm going to start on the steering wheel right here. This one's going to be really dirty, I already know. Don't talk. Don't. Pulling my ball. And the buttons, look at the difference. Look at that. Look how dirty that is. Now check out the seat and the steering wheel. Okay, I'm gonna steam clean this because this is super dirty. As you can see here, you get the side of the seat here, all here, the dirt. It's in here and here. Gonna clean all this up and make it look brand new. So first I'm gonna start here. Oh, let me get it on the rack. I can wipe it down. Man, this is really dirty. Yeah, this one's it's really dirty. So now I'm gonna change the nozzle to help with the cleaning. Heat it up. Look at the difference. Look at that. That's why I love this machine. So right now, check out the inside of here. So I'm gonna steam this and then clean that out right now. Look at the difference. Before and after. I'll set the console here. I'm gonna give this a little heat right here. Cleaned up. Now this right here, the buttons and stuff, I know y'all worried about the buttons and stuff here, how it wouldn't get damaged or anything like that. It's not gonna get damaged. What I'm gonna do is spray like a light mist over it and then just wipe it down from there. Look at the difference, before and after. It's beautiful, I love this thing. So now I want to clean up all here also, up here, where the gauges are and stuff here. Steam that, clean that out too. So